Kamran Group's interior designing and construction. Contact on the numbers given below.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाज़रीन, मैं आपका मेज़बान मोहम्मद शरफुद्दीन सच न्यूज़ में आपका इस्तेमाल करता हूं। आइए देखते हैं आज की अहम खबर। आज की हमारी ये खबर यूनियन बैंक ऑफ इंडिया की जानिब से GSM स्कूल जो कि गोलकुंडा में है, उस स्कूल में एक विजिलेंस अवेयरनेस प्रोग्राम मुनक़िद किया गया था। बच्चों में ये अवेयरनेस लाने के लिए ये प्रोग्राम किया गया था। आइए आपको दिखाते हैं GSM स्कूल की ये खास खबर।
I am very much thankful to the manager sir of Union Bank of India and his colleagues for giving them their precious time and giving us awareness about regarding the corruption. Corruption is nothing but it is like destroying the economy and basic need of the society, where the employers, where the government officials or any other officials who don't want to work according to their demands, we are just to fulfill our demands, we are giving them some sort of money to take their favors. But as we have the money, we can give them. But for the people who don't have the money, what about those people? So for that purpose, it is a very bad habit that we have to eradicate from our country. Basically, the step taken by Union Bank is a really good step, and we should also make aware not only to us but to our friends, to our family members, and to all the people we know that we should not encourage bribe. We should not encourage corruption. Corruption is very bad, giving very bad impact to the society and to the people of India, and due to which we are lacking behind the basic necessities that are required for us. If you just go to the small government offices, if you just go to the small things, if you want to have your work done somewhere into the government offices, they won't entertain you. They won't entertain you. Why they don't entertain you? Because they are used to corruption, they are used to taking bribe now. Without bribe, they don't understand what they have to do. Bribe, the work that has to be done in 15 days will be done in 15 minutes. But if you don't give the bribe, the work that has to be done in 15 minutes will take 15 months. So if we don't encourage the bribe thing, if you don't encourage the corruption thing, it is very much important. The society will lead in a very good and a prosperous way, and it's very important for our society, inshallah. And hope you guys will definitely pass on our message to your family members and your friends, as your hands are the most responsible hands. The society is in your hands now. Today you are a student, tomorrow you might be a political leader, tomorrow you might be one of the responsible person who will be handling the most economic positions, in which you have to take the responsibility of eradicating or at least passing on the message. Thank you. Hope you understand the thing. Thank you, sir.
GSM School Management, Asim sir, for giving this opportunity for conducting this event regarding eradication, avoiding corruption. On behalf of Union Bank of India, Mehdipatam branch, and on behalf of Union Bank of India regional office, actually our regional vigilance officer supposed to come, but because of some unavoidable situation, some prior appointments, he could not come. We have requested our vigilance officer to address you students, but because of some his engagement, prior engagements, he could not make it. So on behalf of our vigilance office and all Union Bank family, once again we thank GSM School Management for giving this opportunity. Union Bank of India, Mehdipatam branch. I am working as a chief manager. As per the guidelines of our bank, we have conducted here in Golconda. It is a GSM school. We have addressed students and management regarding Vigilance Awareness Week this year. The theme of this year's Vigilance Awareness is Integrity, My Way of Life. So students responded well, and principal sir, we thank on behalf of Union Bank of India, Mehdipatam, and on behalf of Union Bank of India total regional office, vigilance cell, we thank management, school management for giving this opportunity to address students, because students are future of India. They are very young. They should know regarding corruption, how to avoid, how to eradicate, how to bring awareness among the people. Thank you, management. Thank you, Asim sir.
I'm really thankful to the management of Union Bank of India, as they have given the precious time of them, and as they have made our children aware of the worst thing that is happening in the society at this moment, corruption. And after getting aware of this, hopefully if this process goes on and continues and the people become aware of all these things, inshallah one day or the other this thing will be eradicated from our country. Thanks for the time, and thanks for everything that has been provided by the Union Bank of India on this regard. Thank you very much.
कामरान ग्रुप्स, आवर पैशन योर ड्रीम्स। आपके घर की खूबसूरती हमारी जिम्मेदारी। इंटीरियर डिजाइनिंग हो या फिर कंस्ट्रक्शन, कामरान ग्रुप्स है आपके साथ। अब हैदराबाद ओल्ड सिटी में भी है मौजूद कामरान ग्रुप्स। Kamran Group's interior designing and construction. Contact on the numbers given below.